Hi guys, how you doing today? I guess that you came here from Google or actually another video. Well actually that doesn't really matter because I'll provide you with a product review that you're looking for with an honest testimonial from me. If you've used this product before, click on the link in the description and to read the whole review. I'll see you there.
Hey, how are you? William here, and I'm super excited to shoot this video and formally announce the launch of CPA Evolution. My team and I, we have been working on this project for more than a year now, and I'm sure that it's gonna be a great opportunity for you as an affiliate, but also for your customers, people who are certainly looking for a solid, sustainable way to build an internet marketing business. I want to start this video by saying that CPA Evolution is going to be a mid-ticket product. So the front end price is going to be $297 with 50% commissions, and the back end offer is going to cost $997 also with 50% commissions. Well, if you have already promoted other launches with a similar price tag, you certainly know that now the mid-tickets are producing the best EPCs in our industry. And in case you haven't done it yet, this is a great opportunity for you to give it a shot because CPA Evolution, it's going to convert extremely well with many different types of traffic. If you have a list that's already focused on CPA, social marketing, PPC, PPV, CPA Evolution, it's going to be a perfect fit for your subscribers. But if you have a list in a different area, like for example SEO, list building, or even product creation, you can also promote CPA Evolution because it was also designed to work with people who are still looking for a direction to build their internet marketing business, or for people who are already involved with other areas of internet marketing but also want to start using CPA to make some good money on the internet. So I don't want to make this video too long. I just want to talk to you about the main benefits of CPA Evolution for customers, which is the most important part of any launch, the value that we deliver to the final customer, and also the main benefits for the affiliates who support this launch and help in promoting CPA Evolution. So first, talking about the customer side. Well, the first thing that we're going to be delivering to your customers is a high-quality training program. The training program is a few weeks long. It contains several training modules, 4 main training modules and many other extra training modules. Each module is going to contain many videos, high-definition videos explaining all the process to set up the campaigns in a step-by-step, easy-to-understand way. And all the modules will also have action plans and homeworks that will make the training extremely actionable. People who go through the training, they will certainly take action, implement the lessons, and because of this, they will be getting real results. Okay, this is the ultimate goal of any product that I create, is to allow the final customer, to allow the student to have a good experience during the training, but also to achieve their goals and see real results coming from the training. So they will see real results if you take action and implement the training program. Also, the program, it's gonna have one-on-one support. They will be able to get in touch directly with me, and I'll help them to set up their campaigns, optimize their campaigns. I'll help them with any technical issues that they have as well, and we'll provide them with the best support possible. So they will be able to get in touch with me, also with the other members using our community and our private forum. And you'll have a great experience, not just learning the theory, but also when putting everything into practice and interacting with other members and with myself as their coach. So this is a great training program for your customers. They will definitely learn the ins and outs of the CPA industry, and when they take action, they will see amazing results. On the affiliate side, we also have a few interesting things. So the first one is the fantastic EPCs. Okay, we have already done a few tests, and all of our tests have $10 plus EPCs now. So you can expect to see fantastic numbers coming from this training, especially if you can add a cool bonus, or if you can mail heavily to your list. If you have a responsive list, you can definitely expect $10 plus EPCs. We're going to have also a really cool JV contest with almost $20,000 in JV prizes. It's going to make the promotion even more interesting and fun. So I'm sure that you're going to enjoy participating in the contest as well. You can see all the details of the contest below. And of course, if you support my launch, I'll definitely be happy to support your launch in the future. Of course, as long as it's suitable for my list, and of course, as long as it's a quality product. So these are the main benefits for the customers and for the affiliates. As an affiliate, you can definitely expect a big launch, maybe the biggest launch of this year in the CPA field. We're going to have many good affiliates participating, a fantastic contest, incredibly high EPCs, and the $10 EPCs that I mentioned, it's just for the front end product. After we close the launch, after the launch ends, we're going to have a few days to warm the customers up to make sure that they are involved with the process, using the lessons, taking action, and then when they start seeing results, like 1 or 2 weeks later, we're going to give them access to the upsell, to the upgrade. So we're going to have time to warm the customers up and to make sure that all of them are involved in the process and confident about the training. Then we're going to offer them the upgrade, and again you'll see a lot of lots of conversions coming from the back end as well. So it's going to be a great promotion for all the affiliates, and also a great, fantastic experience for all the customers who will have quality training, top-notch support, an active, supportive community, and also access to all the tools, case studies, templates, resources that I use to create my own campaigns. I'm sure that it's going to be a great experience for your customers and one of the biggest launches for you this year. So thanks a lot for taking the time to watch this video, and you can get more information about the launch below, the details of the contest, the details of the product, and if you have any questions or need anything, do not hesitate to contact me. You can also subscribe below for the JV list, and then you're going to get access to all the swipes, banners, and all the materials that you need to make this a huge promotion for you. So thanks a lot for watching the video, and I really hope to count on you on this amazing launch. Bye bye.